Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm off from work, so I'm going to challenge myself to complete 12 full panels and also make my YouTube video. Let's get started. I feel like it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, but I was literally here 2 weeks ago, so that's not really that long. Anyway, I missed making my weekly video and talking to you guys, so I'm really happy to be back from my mini hiatus. I'm glad that I was able to make content this week instead of missing 2 weeks of content making, so I basically only missed last week's upload. And yeah, if you've been following along, you already know that I've decided to start posting my webtoon on the first and third Saturdays of every month. That way I'll have more time to create better art, better content, and longer uploads for my webtoon. Also, I still don't have a mic, but I should have one by the next video, next Saturday. I just ordered a new mic a few days ago with my commissions money, so I hope I get it sometime this week. It's supposed to arrive in a few days, but yeah. Anyway, my plan for today was to wake up at 6 a.m. and work on my webtoon, YouTube videos, and more art content in general, like just for posting on Instagram and Reels. But I kind of stayed up until 2 a.m. watching my baby brother because he would not sleep, and you can't go sleep if he's not sleeping, right? And yeah, but then he woke up at 4:50 in the morning, which was great, right? So basically that didn't go as I planned, but as I've said before, not everything goes according to plan, and you have to learn to adjust and be flexible. So I ended up waking up around 10:30, which is quite late, but it was fine, I guess. I washed up, ate some food, and just relaxed for like an hour. And I know I only had a limited amount of time to do all of my work, but for me, I feel like it's important to have a little downtime or just time to yourself where you just chill and just kind of do what you want for a little bit. Like, of course, I'm not going to spend all day doing that, and I don't have enough time to do that anyways. But yeah, and I also feel like I'm always more energized and ready to work if I have that short period of time where I'm relaxing, because it's like, okay, I've relaxed enough, I gotta get back to work, or I can get back to work now. So yeah, I started drawing around 12 p.m., which is incredibly late. I already accepted the fact that I had woken up late and my plans were ruined, so I didn't feel very stressed out. In the past, if this had happened, I would have been just really upset because everything's pushed back, and there is a possibility that I will not finish what I want that day, right? But yeah, so I just accepted it and it was fine. I planned it out again, and I decided that I'd finish working on my webtoon at 7 p.m. and finish my video by 9 p.m. But that would be me working really hard and working really fast without taking many breaks in between, which is not ideal, of course, but I had to do what I had to do. I filmed the whole process of the 12 panels for my webtoon, but I don't want to spoil all of the next upload for my faithful readers, so I'm only showing you guys the art process for the single panel of Hayden. I've also been really excited about making my webtoon these past few months because the plot is moving forward and we're going to meet a new character, which some of you guys already know and really love. Plus, it's just more exciting overall. After I finished working on my webtoon, it was indeed 7 p.m. I was right on time and I was super relieved because that just means I'm probably going to finish all of it today, and I'm really happy about that. I immediately started working on my webtoon script and putting all of my videos together for editing. After I edited my video and pre-uploaded it onto YouTube, it was 9 p.m. just as I planned. Ideally, I would have filmed my entire day and shown you guys how my day went as I worked on my YouTube video and my webtoon, but I woke up too late and it takes a lot of time to set up the filming and to just make sure I'm filming and recording everything. And so this video didn't turn out as I had hoped either, but it's alright. I'll try it again some other time. For now, I'm going to work on a commission and get some other tasks done before bed. But yeah, today was a successful day. So just a reminder for you all, it's okay if your day doesn't go as planned. And I hope you guys all have a lovely weekend. That is all I have for you guys this week. If you guys are enjoying this week's video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next week.